What is up, guys? Just caught this giant April 27th eggs right there. Definitely got some eggs in her, guys, on the jackhammer with the swimmer on the back trailer. Big in on that chatterbait out here, late night bass fishing. Super windy out here, guys, too. I just got out here, was throwing along the bank. It is like 20-mile-per-hour winds, and was throwing that chatterbait. Got that fat mama. I was just rolling that chatterbait and she smoked it. Big one, she is 21 inches, 4 pounds, 1 ounce. Real nice one out here, guys. Gonna get a couple more picks. There we go, guys. Absolute hog. Pre-spawn, full of eggs. Beautiful female. Let's let her go. 21 inches, guys. 4 pounds, 1 ounce. Absolute hog. Yep, she's healthy. Out here in the wind, guys. Super cold. 40 degrees. 40 degrees, about 20-mile-per-hour winds. April 27th, gonna be April 28th. About 11:40 p.m. Hell yeah, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Out here at my local pond. Show you the lure.